Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. आज global factors are completely positive for the dollar. एक तरफ US 10-year yields are at 3.05, दूसरे तरफ oil prices are at 13-week high, Brent above 124, and equity markets are under pressure. Dollar rupee in the offshore market, June futures is quoting 77.90-92 के आसपास, which means 8 to 10 paisa higher. But as we are all aware of, at higher level, the central bank is aggressively selling dollars. And that's the reason why dollar rupee has been unable to break above 77.80 levels on the spot over the past 1 month. Last 1 month, dollar rupee stuck between 77.40 and 77.80, just 40 paisa range, exceptionally low volatility for a currency like USDINR. The question is, can it still push ahead? We think it can, but it will be a very slow upward grind. So therefore, our trading positions have to be in consonance with that kind of a move. How can we position ourselves? Buying futures on dips is advisable. If you are doing call spreads, something, an alternative which we have always advocated is a ratio call spread. Because in a ratio call spread, you can design it in such a way that your net outgo of premium is either zero or even you can get some credit. So that is very much helpful because as long as the dollar rupee continues to languish at lower levels, you have not paid premium to the market, so you don't have to worry about a premium bleed. इसके अलावा short straddles, short strangles on weekly options can be done, but keep in mind the volatility is low, means implied volatility is low, so the option premium is lower. So the risk to reward is not so rich. Therefore, either you do hedge strategies like iron flies and iron condos instead of straddles and strangles, or you do very small positions so that just in case if there is a breakout, you are not caught with large short positions on the options. So therefore, do smaller positions or hedge positions. That is extremely important. And specifically, if you're doing short straddles or short strangles for month-end options, then definitely switch to hedge positions because month-end may bleed or the decline in the option premium happens, let's say from mid of the third week of the month, and especially on the fourth week. Therefore, if you're doing it from now, you should have a hedge positions. That is important. Therefore, we generally advocate to do short straddles and short strangles on weekly options because the bleed is faster. Now coming to the cross currency, EURINR will be in focus because आज European Central Bank policy meeting है and ECB is going to end its asset purchase program and at the same time hint that the interest rate hikes will begin from July onwards. Money market is pricing in 100 to 125 basis point hike between July and December. Now that is very aggressive. The question is, will ECB support that or ECB will not talk about such an aggressive path? Agar ECB supports this, we can see a further rally in the EURINR. But if ECB actually leans against it, then we can see a sharp pullback in EURINR. So therefore, if you are trading EURINR, keep in mind, stick to intraday positions. And if you're carrying overnight positions, because it's futures, ensure that the position size is small. Because you don't want to get caught on the wrong foot at the open if the market goes against you. So therefore, carry small overnight positions in EURINR. JPYINR will be largely range bound, and yen-INR will be under pressure because the combination of higher US bond yields and higher oil prices is negative for yen. और उसके साथ Bank of Japan officials or Ministry of Finance from Japan officials का जो statements है that have all been negative for the yen. So yen-INR will be under pressure because an upward trend in the dollar yen. And so accordingly, you can sell on rise on yen-INR. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.